Alright, I don't know where to go. There was a bomb and it hit. So I'm like standing in the store because I don't know where the fucking place to go. Like, I'm just gonna stay back here in this store. Because I have no idea what's going on. So, and then she doesn't have a bomb shelter. So it's just me and her in this store. People walking. I don't know where the bomb, again, I don't know where it came from. Like, this is scary. And I'm not going out the door to see. I don't know where it hit. She said it was in the corner. Somewhere over here. This is a rare thing, right? This doesn't happen. It's like she's locking the doors. And I'm going to stay here for a minute. She's telling me to come. I don't know if I want to come. Do I need to?
It's here, down here. Now the people home. Yo!
It's down there somewhere. I don't see anything.
You hear? We
heard it. I heard it.
This is the first time here. First time. Never here. This is warm. But we go here in Israel, here in Tel Aviv, warm.
Warm. No, never bomb.
Never. This is first time.
It's just, I don't know where it hit at. I know it's down there. This is crazy.
No understand what happened. Now, no telephone now.
Telephone not working? So
because terrorismo speak and they close
everything down.
So then fixed.
Today I went on a tour of Tel Aviv, went to the Diamond Center. So I had him drop me off in Old Jaffa so I can. Beautiful city. Where Jaffa and Tel Aviv is the old city, so I came here just to walk around. I honestly don't know where it hit at or how close. Look like it's down there towards the hotels. I'm not staying in a hotel, but it looked like it was down by the hotels. I'm standing outside. Like it was just sirens, and so that means they must have seen it coming. It's coming from somewhere. I know there's some stuff going on at the Gaza Strip with Syria, different things, but Jerusalem is closer to Gaza Strip than Tel Aviv, so I didn't think we were in danger here. I didn't think I was in danger here. Like, do I run to the airport and try to get home? Continue my trip? You have TV? News?
No TV here.
No TV?
In Google.
I don't have internet. People are still going around like nothing happened, but I heard the boom. Something happened. People heard booms, but like people are acting like nothing happened. Like I heard a boom. Something exploded.
If no explode here, no, we because every
it was
time
close.
We this is alarm to the country go inside.
So it's alarm to the whole country.
Yes,
Here. Oh, for Tel Aviv.
Yes. This is
to go inside. First time here. I don't know if it's what's going on in Gaza. I know there was a bomb. I heard on the news on my way over here that there's some stuff going on with the Gaza Strip. So what's going on?
We don't know.
מה אתה עושה? למה אתה סוגר?
לא, אני לא סוגר, אני פה. הולכת
אני
הביתה?
מתקשרת לימית, הוא לא עונה לי. את הלב שלי ככה, ויקטור. פעם הראשונה שאני שמעתי ווי ווי ווי